Iran has unveiled a new drone that many experts describe as one of the most advanced systems the country has ever produced. The announcement, made during a high-profile military exhibition in Tehran, has sparked intense debate. How did Iran develop this technology? What capabilities does it actually have? And why is the international community so stunned by it? The drone was revealed for the first time in a dramatic presentation, surrounded by high-ranking military officials and accompanied by bold statements about Iran's growing technological capabilities. Videos from the event show a sleek, angular aircraft with a radar-evading shape, sharp contours, and an unmistakable resemblance to Western next-generation combat drones. Iranian officials claim the drone represents a massive leap in the country's unmanned aerial systems. And what stunned analysts the most is not just the drone's appearance, but the fact that Iran claims it integrates AI-powered autonomous flight, advanced stealth coding, long-range strike capability, and precision-guided munitions. These features, if true, would place the drone among the most capable combat drones in the world. The new drone features a flying wing structure similar to the American RQ-170 Sentinel or the B-2 Spirit bomber. This type of structure is known for its ability to minimize radar visibility, making it extremely difficult to detect. But perhaps the most shocking claim is the drone's AI-driven targeting and navigation. According to Iranian engineers, the drone can identify, track, and lock onto targets with minimal operator input. It can also fly pre-programmed missions, avoid threats autonomously, and share data with other drones in a swarm. Although some analysts are skeptical, many admit that Iran has demonstrated surprising progress in drone technology over the past decade, especially after capturing several foreign drones and reverse engineering their systems. Iran has stated that this drone is not just for reconnaissance, it is built for combat. The drone can carry guided bombs and air-to-surface missiles inside a concealed bay, just like Western stealth aircraft. If these features function as described, the drone could dramatically expand Iran's ability to project power far beyond its borders, potentially challenging air defenses in regions that previously felt secure. Countries in the Middle East, as well as Western powers, are closely watching. This rapid evolution forces military planners to reassess Iran's capabilities and rethink assumptions about future warfare. Reactions from around the world came quickly. In the Middle East, defense analysts expressed concern that the drone could be deployed across conflict zones, including surveillance over the Persian Gulf or support for allied groups. In Europe and the United States, intelligence agencies are reportedly analyzing the drone's footage frame by frame. Some experts warn that even if Iran exaggerates part of its claims, the drone still represents a major breakthrough for a country facing years of sanctions and technological restrictions.